Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Seeing people on social media living it up and you're stuck living paycheck to paycheck? You don't have to be stuck. Building wealth in your 20s is doable, even from zero. The biggest advantage you have is time. Start early, let your money grow through compound interest. Grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's get started. Before we talk about dollars and cents, we need to address your mindset. Building wealth is about the right mindset. Believe wealth is possible, even without a silver spoon. Ditch limiting beliefs. The only limits are the ones you set. Your 20s are not just about grinding away at a 9-to-5. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills, build your network, and develop habits that will pay off for decades. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Failing is part of the learning process. The skills and experiences you gain are invaluable. You don't need a ton of money to start building wealth. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with small, consistent actions. Save, budget, invest. These steps add up over time. The key is to start. Take that first step and watch it snowball. Many people have a negative relationship with money. They see it as something to be feared. But money is simply a tool. It's a tool to create the life you want and secure your future. Shift your perspective and see money as a tool to empower you. Let's discuss practical steps to build a rock-solid financial foundation. Lay the groundwork for your financial future. Get your money organized. Create a budget, not restrictive spreadsheets. A simple, sustainable plan for every dollar. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities. Enjoy life with guilt-free purchases. Build your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Save $1,000 quickly, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you from debt due to unexpected expenses. Trust me, this fund saves you stress. Tackle credit card debt aggressively. High interest rates drain your finances. They turn small balances into burdens. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Eliminating debt gives instant returns. Saving is crucial, but you can't save your way to wealth. Focus on increasing your income to build wealth, not by overworking at your 9-to-5. Explore side hustles to boost your income. The gig economy is booming. Start a side hustle. What skills do you have? What are you passionate about? Turn that into extra money. Drive for a ride-sharing service or start a YouTube channel. High-income skills are more valuable than ever. Education doesn't have to mean student loan debt. Online platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer affordable courses in coding, marketing, design, and data analysis. Your network is your net worth. Attend industry events, join LinkedIn groups, reach out on social media. Building relationships can open doors to new opportunities. Invest your money early and smartly. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start early and invest consistently. Start investing easily with index funds. An index fund tracks a market index like the S&P 500. It diversifies your portfolio and reduces risk. The best way to ensure consistent investing is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your investment account, even if it's just a small amount. This way, you invest consistently without thinking. And there you have it. Start building wealth in your 20s, even if you're starting with nothing. Be consistent, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Wealth is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused on your goals and keep taking action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Hit like, subscribe to Finance Evolution, and turn on notifications. Share this with someone ready to take control of their financial future.